This box, it doesn't blow air, it cleans it. An air purifier has one job: suck dirty air, clean it, throw it back like a washing machine, but for air. A powerful fan pulls in all the nasty stuff. At the entrance, there's a pre-filter. This guy catches the big stuff, like hair, dust balls, pet fur, that somehow appears even if you don't own a pet. Now comes the legend, HEPA filter. This thing traps particles so small, your eyes can't even see them. They're 30 times smaller than a human hair. You're sneezing, allergies, gone. Ever cooked something amazing that smells horrible 3 hours later? Or smoke, or pet smell, or something died in this room vibes? An activated carbon filter would be like, not in my house. Absorb smells instead of masking them. Some purifiers go ultra mode. UV light or ionizer zap bacteria and viruses. Science doing kung fu on germs. After all that beating, the purifier releases air back into the room, clean, fresh, light. Your lungs are like, bro, thank you. You breathe 20,000 times a day. Would you drink dirty water? Then why breathe dirty air? An air purifier doesn't change your room. It changes what enters your body. Clean air equals to better sleep, better focus, better life. Still breathing dirty air? Yeah, didn't think so. Your lungs will thank you later. Subscribe for more How It Works magic.